Hey guys, have you ever wanted to build a successful online business but don't know really where to begin? What if I could show you a simple two-page website that can potentially generate you up to $1,000 a day in sales, and not only sales but passive income? Um, it's a good training that I'm really excited to show you, and a lot of this funnel model is actually used by a lot of the top affiliate marketers out there. So hopefully you get some value out of this, and I'm able to provide some sort of insight to you as far as what works for me. It may not work for you, but this definitely works for me, and I've seen a lot of growth since switching my funnel to this simple two-page website. So let's get into it. Again, if you don't know who I am, my name's Kenny Wilson. I am a father, a full-time worker, and I am a side hustle, not a hustle, but side entrepreneur, trying to grow my business on the side while working full-time. My channel is to help people that necessarily are working a full-time job, don't really have the time to commit yet to it fully. It will get there, and I promise you, if you do work at it, you will see the results you desire. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I'm going to show you guys today. Okay, so here is my first page. Now this is not necessarily a lead magnet. What a lead magnet does versus an opt-in page is a lead magnet will offer you something free in return in exchange for your email address. That's not what mine is about. There are some out there, and I do have other funnels like that, but this one is what's generated me the most sales to date. So basically, this is my first page. This is an opt-in page, and I just start off with kind of like you need a hook. You need someone, you need to grab people's attention. So I got here anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. So that right there, within that first 5 seconds of reading, you want to hook that potential customer, right? And then I go on to kind of explain, I'm excited to share with you simple yet widely known strategies of top digital marketers. And soon you'll clearly see how you can build your own digital income stream leveraging proven systems. I stress that you got to have a proven system in order for it to work, right? So a lot of gurus will teach you model success. Well, that's what I'm doing here. I'm modeling success from one of the other top affiliates out there. So then you want to kind of introduce them to what I like to call like the pain versus pleasure, because if you're stuck doing pleasurable things, you're not going to want to grow, and you're not going to want to click on someone's what they're trying to offer you. Basically, you're trying to sell them something that's going to solve their problem, their pain. So you ever wanted to have a super profitable online business but lack the ability or desire to create products and struggled to drive traffic, generate leads, and convert sales? So right there, I'm kind of seeing what every new affiliate marketer out there, or people that want to begin, they have that question of, how do I drive traffic? How do I I'm struggling. I don't want to create products, right? You don't want to create products, and that's what high ticket affiliate marketing is. So then I say, my name is Kenny Wilson. I help ordinary folks build extremely profitable affiliate marketing businesses, even if they have no experience or a list, which is an email list, right? So that's kind of where everyone wants to start. You got to build. You got to start somewhere. You got to build from the ground up. So I just got basically, pitching it to you that way. And what I want to do is I want to be able to potentially grab that customer and say, oh yeah, well here's a proven. He's doing a proven system. So let me go ahead and see what he has to offer. So what I do is you'll fill this out, and then this will go to the second page, which we'll show you here in a second. So here you can see my second page. After they fill out their email address and they click the submit button, this will take them to the sales page. So right here is where I want to sell them the course for Legendary Marketer, which Dave Sharp is what I learned from, and what a lot of the top affiliates out there have learned from. That's the reason why it's so powerful and so popular is Dave is trying to, he wants you to succeed, and he wants you to build an online business that's not only profitable but sustainable. So I have a personal message here that I play. I'm actually looking to update this, but
Hey guys, thank you for taking the time and submitting your email address on the previous page. So I want to take about a minute of your time and introduce you to this opportunity in the system that I'm.
So I introduce myself again. A lot of people where they struggle at is congruency and not getting to know the person that on the other end. So affiliate marketers want to be able to reach out to that person and be personable with them and not sell them a load of crap, right? That's the number one thing that people will gravitate towards is someone who's genuine. So that's why I like to put a personal message in there, and it goes explaining pretty much the number one thing that most affiliate marketers are missing is the right high ticket affiliate partner, and that's what I portray in my welcome video, which is only, I think it's like a minute and 20 minutes long. You don't want to lose their attention span too much before they click on the actual sales page that will take them to the affiliate side. So I kind of just try and go through who I am, introduce myself, and get in. I want to say that I will want people to reach out to me if they're struggling, because that's how I was. I struggled when I first started out, and I didn't know who to contact, who to reach out to. I want to be that person. I want to be that person that helps you start your online journey, and that's what I portray in this message. So I kind of put a little backstory here on myself, which you would like to do. Again, people generally tend to gravitate towards people that are true to themselves and transparent. My mission is to share amazing business opportunity with the world. I recently joined forces with David Sharp, and then I kind of go over a little bit of what David has to say. So nothing too fancy. I don't want a bunch of stuff flashing. I want it to kind of, between these two, you want to have kind of a congruency, which another thing that affiliate marketers struggle with is congruency. They'll say one thing on one page, and then a person will put their email address, and it'll take them to somewhere totally different. They're like, what the heck? So basically, this is all there is on the second page. Pretty simple. And then with the 15-day challenge, I kind of put there, the number one business model to launch an online requires no advanced tech skills, which it doesn't. It's really beginner friendly for everybody. Two-step funnel that all the top affiliate marketers use, which I've been harping on in this training course, and a six-step system choosing a niche and launching your new business. So that's kind of like the nuts and bolts of the legendary course, which is only $7. People don't want to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. Only because a lot of them are like me. I work full time. I don't have a lot of money. And $7 when I first saw the course, I was like, what can I lose? It's $7, right? So anyways, once everyone kind of gets to know, there's some testimonial videos down here that I kind of put to, not to make it look, to kind of drive that nail home, right? To say, hey, there's people out there like me and you, average people, average Joes that are making thousands of dollars online by taking this course. So after everyone, this is where you can choose for yourself if you either want to or not. And then what this will do is this will take you to the actual affiliate page. Now, I am going to put this down below, and it will be an affiliate link. It will be the same one that you're seeing here today. And if you click on it, yes, I'll get a commission, but the price stays the same for you. It's $7. That's all it is. I just get a commission for promoting Legendary Marketer, and you can see right here. Here's my affiliate ID. So every time someone clicks the link and chooses to join up, I get a certain percentage commission. So, and then you can see here, this is Dave's video that he.
I want you to stop and pay very close attention.
And it's a very powerful video. And you can see right here, you can actually take 50% off if you choose to. If you choose to click out, which is the beauty of it. So, really. Half off of $750 is what, $325 or $225, whatever. I'm not good with math. Anyways, you get the point. So that's basically the gist of it. So you don't want a web page that is going to be jumbled with a bunch of jargon that people aren't going to understand, of terms and jargon that people are like, what, I don't know that. That's not me. I'm not advanced like that. This is a simple 2-page website that you and I can go on, pay $7, and possibly set yourself up for the rest of your life. Now, I'm working at that. Yes, I've been doing it for about 6 months, and I've seen gradual, steady sales increase over those 6 months. But that's because I choose to work at it. I can sell you a diamond for $1. But that diamond's not worth anything if you don't choose to polish it up and work at it and cut it to the right length and shape, whatever, to make it worth $1 million, right? Basically what I'm trying to say, and it's kind of a stupid analogy, but basically what you have to work at your craft. You have to a lot of people, and I say this a lot. Things that keep people broke are taking the easy way out, right? If you choose not to, go play video games instead of spending time working on your side hustle or working on your online business. 2, people that like to criticize others for that are out there trying to make themselves better and seeing that they're succeeding. A lot of people will criticize on that, and trust me, I get plenty of hate when I'm on TikTok, and that's free organic traffic. Promoting Legendary Marketer and trying to really engage in what people want out there. And then finally, not investing in yourself. What I mean by investing in yourself is, learn something new. Take the time to learn something new, whether it be how to draw, how to, that every day that you spend, not trying to make yourself better than you were the day before is a day wasted. So anyways, I'll get off my soapbox here, and I will leave you with 2 things that my father has always taught me, and I try to live true to these 2 words. The first one is, whatever you're doing, whatever you're working at, be the best that you can be at it. And 2 is now I'm drawing a blank here, so oh yeah, sorry, I had a brain fart there. It is, if you treat your business like an actual business, it'll start producing like an actual business. So I hope that helps you, and I hope that you got value out of this. And if you need any help, feel free to comment below. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you found this interesting, or if you need any, if you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. But that's pretty much all I got. It was not too bad, not terribly too long. So take care, guys.